Morning, ladies. Hi, Foxy. Hi, Sunrise. Hi, Sunset. Fancy, you're looking pretty good. Elegant, you're gaining your weight back. And there's Oddball. Hello. So you see these two, this one and this one? The lighter of these two is Sunrise, and the darker is Sunset. I don't know which one is which because it's hard to see. Okay, so this one's Sunset, and the other one's Sunrise. The bigger white chicken is Fancy. Elegant is the skinnier of the ones. Oddball's the black one, and Foxy is this cool little tan one right here. What are my chickens doing? Yeah, what are my chickens doing, huh? They eat grass. There you go. I'll pick you some more. That was me. Don't peck me, please. Yeah, you like grass, don't you? Don't my chickens just love some grass? Look, if I put it up top, they'll even shove it all through up top. That way they don't peck me, because I do not like it when they peck me, because it hurts. Especially if they get you, like, right in your, if you have, like, fingers like I do, they hurt. Hi, pretty birdies. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to clean out your swimming pool again. I'll do that later. There's my cute little birdie. Hi. Hi, pretty lady. Oh, you got a big comb, don't you? Yeah, you do got a big comb. Let's see, which one are you? Let's see here. Elegant. Okay, Elegant got a big comb. And so does Foxy. You guys are getting big. Yes, you are. You're getting so big. Good chickens.